As we move past 60, many of us start noticing changes we never thought about when we were younger. Our muscles don't feel as strong, our legs tire faster, and simple things like climbing stairs or carrying groceries feel heavier. This isn't just about strength, it's about independence, confidence, and living life fully. Here's the good news: nature has already given us foods and herbs that can help rebuild strength, reduce inflammation, and support muscle health naturally, without drugs, without expensive supplements, and without risky side effects. Today, I'll share 3 teas you can start drinking daily to restore muscle, fight weakness, and walk strong again, whether you're 60, 70, or even 80. Why muscle loss happens after 60. After 60, our bodies naturally begin to lose muscle mass, a process called sarcopenia. This isn't a disease, it's part of aging, but if left unchecked, it can accelerate quickly. On average, people lose 3 to 8% of muscle mass per decade after 60. Over 10 or 20 years, that adds up. Muscles that once kept you strong and steady begin to weaken. Your legs may fatigue or tremble. Your arms may struggle with tasks that once felt easy. This is why many older adults feel they have to rely more on others. But here's what I want you to know: muscle loss is not permanent. Your muscles are living tissue. They can adapt, grow, and become strong again, even in your 60s, 70s, or 80s. With the right fuel, movement, rest, and support, you can rebuild muscle, improve balance, and restore stamina. What causes muscle loss? 1. Hormones decline with age. Testosterone, growth hormone, and estrogen all drop, making it harder to build muscle. 2. Activity decreases. Joint pain, fatigue, or injury often lead people to move less. When you sit more, your body assumes you don't need muscle and starts breaking it down. 3. Diet changes. Many older adults simply don't eat enough protein or essential nutrients. Without those building blocks, muscles can't repair or rebuild. Think of your muscles like an engine. If you don't run it, it rusts. If you don't fuel it, it shuts down. But if you maintain it with movement and proper nutrition, it can keep running for years. Why this matters beyond strength. Weak muscles don't just limit strength. They affect balance, which raises the risk of falls, the leading cause of injury in seniors. Muscle loss also slows metabolism, leading to belly fat, which increases the risk of diabetes, heart disease, and inflammation. So when you think muscle, don't just think strength. Think protection, stability, metabolism, and long-term health. The good news: muscles respond at any age. I've seen people in their 60s, 70s, and even 80s rebuild strength and mobility. The secret isn't heavy workouts, it's consistency. Simple movements like walking, light weights, resistance bands, or even standing up from a chair all send the message: we still need you. But movement is only one part. Nutrition is equally important. Muscles are made of protein. Without it, they can't repair. Many seniors don't eat enough protein. Meals like toast for breakfast and light soup for dinner aren't enough. Foods like beans, eggs, chicken, fish, nuts, and seeds provide the protein muscles need. Hydration is another piece. Muscles are about 75% water. Dehydration leads to cramps, fatigue, and weakness. And then there's sleep. This is when growth hormone is released and muscles repair. Without good sleep, your body can't rebuild properly. So, movement, nutrition, hydration, and rest all work together. Add in natural teas that fight inflammation and boost circulation, and you have a powerful formula to stay strong. Tea number 1, green tea. You've probably heard of green tea for weight loss or heart health, but few people realize how important it is for maintaining muscle after 60. Green tea is packed with plant compounds called catechins, especially EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate. EGCG protects cells from damage, supports healthy blood vessels, and helps muscles recover. Here's what green tea does. Boosts energy. Many older adults feel fatigued because the body doesn't use energy efficiently. Green tea helps the body burn fuel better, so instead of storing calories as belly fat, your body uses them as energy. Preserves muscle. Catechins slow down the breakdown of muscle proteins, which is crucial after 60 when muscle loss speeds up. Fights inflammation. Chronic inflammation causes stiffness and soreness. Green tea calms it down so muscles can heal. Supports circulation. Healthy blood flow delivers oxygen and nutrients to your muscles, giving you more stamina. Sharpens the mind. Green tea contains L-theanine, which works with caffeine to improve focus and balance without jitters. This means fewer falls and more confidence when moving. How much? Just 1 to 2 cups daily. If caffeine bothers you, go for decaf. Antioxidants remain. Consistency is key. Tea number 2, ginger tea. Most people think of ginger as a cooking spice or a stomach remedy, but it's actually one of the most powerful natural medicines. As a tea, ginger becomes a daily ritual that reduces inflammation, boosts circulation, and supports digestion, all critical for rebuilding muscle. Here's how ginger tea helps. Reduces inflammation. Compounds like gingerols act like natural fire extinguishers, easing stiffness and soreness. Improves circulation. Ginger warms the body and dilates blood vessels, delivering oxygen and nutrients to muscles. Eases soreness. Drinking ginger before or after activity reduces muscle pain and speeds recovery, making it easier to keep moving. Aids digestion. Without proper digestion, you can't absorb protein. Ginger boosts enzymes so nutrients actually reach your muscles. Reduces swelling. Ginger acts as a mild diuretic, helping release excess fluid in the legs and feet. How to make it: slice fresh ginger, boil for 10 minutes, and sip warm. Tea bags work too. 1 cup in the morning and 1 in the evening is ideal. Tea number 3, hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea is as beautiful as it is powerful. Its rich red color comes from anthocyanins, antioxidants that protect your body from aging and support circulation. Here's why hibiscus tea matters. Improves circulation. It relaxes blood vessels, lowering blood pressure naturally and helping muscles get the nutrients they need. Reduces swelling. Hibiscus is a gentle diuretic, easing heavy, swollen legs. Protects muscles. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients to rebuild muscle. Supports brain health. Improved blood flow sharpens focus and reduces brain fog. Encourages sleep. Naturally caffeine-free, hibiscus tea calms the body at night, which is when muscle repair happens. How to make it: steep dried hibiscus flowers, or tea bags, for 10 to 15 minutes. Drink 1 to 2 cups daily. If you take blood pressure medication, check with your doctor first. Losing muscle after 60 is common, but it's not your destiny. Weakness, fatigue, and frailty are not inevitable. Your body has the ability to rebuild at any age. Remember: move daily. Eat protein-rich foods. Stay hydrated. Sleep well. And add healing teas like green tea, ginger tea, and hibiscus tea to your routine. It's not about perfection. It's about consistency. Small daily steps bring real results. With each cup of tea, each walk, each night of good rest, you're sending your body the message: stay strong, stay active, stay alive. This is how you protect your independence, your confidence, and your vitality, no matter your age.